Hi, I'm Jasper Hogan. I received a degree in computerized machining technology in 2022. Currently work at D&M Holdings in Cabot, Arkansas. I got into the program in 2020. I worked at a company in Lamanco putting roofing vents together and talked to an older gentleman about getting into a trade, and he was talking to me about being a tool and die maker. Came all the way down here to Cersei and then met with Mr. Derek and Mr. Joe and had a meeting with them, and that's how I actually got into the program. This program prepares you for the job field 100% of the way. It gives you the basic knowledge that you need to set up and run a CNC machine. It gives you the basic knowledge to set up and run a manual mill, manual lathe. The knowledge that I've gained from here, I have taken it all the way through the workforce. And it gives you the thought process that you need to, when you're given a blueprint on how you want to actually cut and make this part. And the classes that I took here helped me 100% going through my job. Being in the program and what you learn in the program as a CNC machinist or tool and die maker, either route that you take, the stuff that you learn here, you can take it anywhere. Anything that you genuinely would see in this world that has been made or whatnot, there is a machine that makes it, and there's a machinist or a tool and die maker that set it up and put it all together for it to be made. The best advice I can give to anybody that wants to get into this trade, this field, this career, ask questions. Always ask questions, because if it's something you don't know, it's okay to ask the question and learn and get explained and figure out why something doesn't work the way that it does.